Hello guys, welcome to class. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make magic circle. I'm going to show you how to move from one row to the other, and I'm also going to show you how to make sure that your circle is flat. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using baby lamb acrylic yarn, and I'm going to be using 4.0mm oak. You're also going to need a stitch marker, and just in case you don't have a stitch marker, you can use a bobby pin or you can use a scrap yarn. So first, we're going to start by making a magic ring, and to make a magic ring, you're going to take your yarn, then you're going to place it above two fingers. So before you do that, use your thumb to secure it this way. So I'm going to place it above my fingers, then go again, place it on top. So let me do that again. So first, use your thumb to secure this side, then place it above your two fingers, 1 and 2. So you're going to use this other finger to secure the other part. So this is what I have. Next, I'm going to use my hook, then I'm going to go under the first one. This is the first one I did, and this is the second one. So I'm going to go under the first one and bring out the second one. So I'm going to take out my fingers. Now I am going to make 2 chains. So chain 1 and chain 2. So now that we have our magic ring, we are going to make 10 double crochet into this ring, and to do that, first you're going to yarn over, then you're going to place your hook into the circle. So I'm going to place my hook into the circle. I'm going to pull up my yarn. So this way I have 3 loops on my hook. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the other 2. So that is my first double crochet. So before I go further, I'm going to mark this double crochet I made. This is my first double crochet. I'm going to mark it. Then I'm going to keep making double crochet. So yarn over, go into the circle, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So yarn over, we are making 10 double crochet. So now we have 2, we have 8 more to go. Make a double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, 9, and the last one, yarn over into the circle, 10. So now I have 10 double crochet inside my circle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this tail, pull it tight. So this way you're going to close the circle, you're going to close the ring. So this is what I have. So next I'm going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet I made. This is why I had to mark this, so I'll be able to know the first double crochet I made. So this is the first double crochet I made. Now I'm going to place my hook there. First I'm going to take it out, then I'm going to place my hook there. So I'm going to pull up my yarn and make a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull up your yarn, then pull it on the other side as well. So now we have our magic circle. So to move to the next row, we are going to chain 2. So make 2 chains, 1, 2. So we are going to make our first double crochet into this space. This is our first stitch. So we're making our first double crochet there. So yarn over, make your first double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now place your stitch marker back into that stitch. So in this second row, what we are going to do is we are going to increase into every stitch. So remember, in this first row we made a total of 10 double crochet. So in this second row we are going to have a total of 20 double crochet. So we're going to increase into each of them. I already made my first double crochet, so I'm going to yarn over, then go into that same space and make a double crochet. So now I have 2 double crochet into that space. Remember, I taught you how to increase and how to decrease in the last lesson. So if you're just joining us, you can go back and check our tutorial on how to make increases and how to decrease. So I'm going to yarn over, go into the next one and make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Into the next, yarn over, 1, 2, yarn over into the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. So now I have 2 more. This is the last stitch. 1, 2. So if we count this now, we will see that I have 20 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we can see that our circle is expanding, it is getting bigger. So there's one thing I need you to note is that as a beginner you might make mistakes and count this space as a stitch, this space right here. But remember that this is where we made our slip stitch, so this does not count as a stitch. So be careful not to make a double crochet into the space. This is the slip stitch and not a double crochet. So I'm going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet I made. So I'm going to take out my so this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to chain 2, chain 1, chain 2. So what we're going to do in the third row to keep increasing, we're going to make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then we're going to make an increase. So 1 double crochet, make an increase, 1 double crochet, make an increase. So let me start that. I'm going to yarn over, go into the space, make 1 double crochet, I'm going to place my stitch marker back there. So into the next one, I'm going to make an increase. So yarn over, go into the next one, make an increase. That is, place 2 double crochet into that space. So into the next one, I am going to make 1 double crochet. Then in the next, I'm going to make an increase. So into the next one, 1 double crochet. Into the next one, I am going to make an increase. So next I'm going to make 1 double crochet and into the last one 2 double crochet. So guys, whenever you're making a magic circle, let me give you one tip. So while you're making increases, always make sure that your last stitch ends with an increase. So always make sure that your last stitch ends with an increase whenever you're making your magic circle. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet here. This is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to chain one. So now that I have completed row 3, this is what I have. So for row 4, we are going to chain 2. Then this time we are going to make 2 double crochet, then an increase. So what I mean is you make 1 double crochet in this stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, then in the next one you're going to make 2 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So let's start. 1 double crochet, yarn over, 1 double crochet, then in the next one 2 double crochet, yarn over, 1 double crochet, yarn over, 1 double crochet, in the next 2 double crochet. So yarn over, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. So now that I am done, this is what I have. So guys, this is how you make a flat magic circle.